Hello guys, and today we're going to be making some omelets, but we have no ingredients, so we're going to have to go outside to get the stuff, and we need an egg, a chicken, and some veggies. First, we have to go outside to the chicken coop. Now I have to pick out the plumpest chicken. This one looks good. Yep, this one will do. Now I have to go to the greenhouse. Let's see. We need an onion and a pepper. Yep. Well, I have all the ingredients. I guess I should get back home. Now that we have all the ingredients except for the egg, we have to see if one pops out. Now we have a nice chicken skewer. Now we have to cut it up into dices. Now I gotta cut up the onion and the pepper. You see here I mixed all of the ingredients together. Now I have to make the egg. First I'll crack it. Now it's time to finally make the omelet. We need some tunes.
And the ranger's aim was deadly with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.
Moment of truth.